The world should know that you make me cry. Good morning! Welcome to Kabhi Lit, Kabhi Shit with Cherry. Of course, my name is Cherry and welcome back to my channel. This is my first official vlog of this entire series. I'm not gonna mention the days, I'm not gonna mention किस time हुआ because मैं रोज record कर रही हूँ. And if you want to watch more such vlogs, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, comment down below all the good things. And yeah, आज जब मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है करने को, मैं vlog कर रही हूँ. And कल मैं एक जगह गई थी शूट करने और जब भी कुछ अच्छा हो रहा होता है ना, तब मेरे से कैमरा उठता नहीं है कि oh let me show everybody. पता नहीं क्या था. So I'm just gonna put a few BTS जो भी मैंने अपने फ़ोन से रिकॉर्ड किया था. तो हम शूट करने गए थे बेसिकली इंस्टाग्राम के लिए और हमें एक जगह दिखी स्टेशन के पीछे जहाँ पुराने ट्रेन्स खड़े थे एंड हमने सोचा कि हम वहाँ शूट करते हैं. इतने अच्छे शॉट्स नहीं आए बिकॉज ऑफ माई ash grey hair and my bangs with Indian clothes. Oh my god, like I was looking like, I don't know what do I say about that. So इतने अच्छे शॉट्स मुझे नहीं लगता आए, बट फिर भी जो मिला मिला. हम हुमायूं स्टूप भी गए थे बट वहाँ से हमें निकाल दिया गया क्योंकि वहाँ शूट करना अलाउड नहीं है. So, हम शूट के दूसरे दिन बाद उठते हो बॉडी इतना हर्ट कर दिया, लाइक बोन्स, माई बोन्स रियली हर्ट. एंड मुझे ट्रेन से कल लग भी गई थी यहाँ. इफ़ यू सी दीज मार्क्स, yeah, oh ho. So nothing, I have been using like a plastic toothbrush as usual, but I'm trying to go vegan. It's a biodegradable toothbrush. आपको it's like a self care day जहाँ मैं अपने सारे कपड़े धोने वाली हूँ बिकॉज ये बहुत कम होता है कि मैं अपने एक दिन होता है यू नो व्हेन आई वेक अप एंड आई एम लाइक आई हैव टू वॉश माई क्लोथ्स, आई हैव टू डू दिस एंड दैट. तो आज ये हो रहा है. Using the Smart Peeling Honey Black Sugar Scrub from the Face Shop. It looks something like this and I've used it like a couple of times, like 3-4 times because ये मेरा recent routine है. And honestly, like I haven't purchased this product. I got this as a PR package long back and ये बहुत दिनों से पड़ा हुआ था, so I thought I'd use it. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ख़त्म कर दिया. अगर आप देखो तो इसकी हालत भी काफ़ी बुरी है. एंड ये यहाँ से ना ऐसे फट गया था. If you see, so I generally take out my cream from this side and this one's actually like ये इतना ज़्यादा मतलब इसमें ना इतना लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. मतलब I have to take like really little and I can cleanse my face. Dude, my skin feels so smooth, like I can't even tell you right now. It is so smooth. Ignore my nails. I'm also gonna do my nails today because I got 3 products from Nykaa. I don't really shop from Nykaa. I'm not a shopaholic. Really, I'm not a shopaholic. But I got 3 essentials from Nykaa because I was like, really need to do something to my nails. Just look at them. They look so freaking ugly. So I got like yeah. So I got like these 3 things from Nykaa. I spent like $1,000 on these. This is like an OPI Nail Envy Dry and Brittle Nail Strengthener. So I've read reviews that इसको लगाने से nails थोड़े से strong हो जाते हैं and it helps in growing nails because मेरे nails इतने ज़्यादा brittle है कि आगे नहीं बढ़ते. So I've got this. I don't know how if it's gonna work. I've got like this Wadi herbal nail and cuticle oil. It was just for $100. I was like, why not for some pampering? And I have a new obsession of putting nail paints. So yeah, it looks really weird on my hands. I feel like it doesn't really look great. Like I have like man hands. I have like really pudgy man hands, so it doesn't really look nice. So I put this face mask from Elixir. This one is like the glow face mask, and I'm gonna put a lip mask as well. And that's how you do in your skincare routine. I had to wash my face because I got a courier. And this is something, I don't even know what exactly is this. Okay, so basically it's an invite to a wine and beer festival which is happening in DLF Avenue, Saket on 20th and 21st March. Wow, I'm so bad at giving details, but yeah, so it's happening in Delhi, a wine and beer festival. Wine? Oh my god, is this a wine cork, like a wine stopper? Oh my god, this is what I need in my life. Oh my freaking lord, dude. It's actually from Chumbak, just in case you think that's like a toast event ka gift. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Chumbak में मिल सकता है ये. 295 का है. I didn't know that. It's cheap. You will see this in every vlog of mine that I can never be on time, and I have 100 things, like not 100 things, but like couple of things always on my hand. And नहीं, U-turn ले लो, बीट इधर ही मिलता है. बीट है क्या? अरे यार, मेरे को ना अपने ड्राइंग रूम में ऐसे लगवाना है. वो क्या कहते हैं? That thing, yeah, that, you know. The world should know that you make me cry. ऐसे कौन आंसू पूछता है?
अबे जब दिख नहीं रहा तो फिर ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा ना. या चोरी ऐसे तो मेरे को ना नेगेटिव कमेंट्स आएंगे और है ना वो थोड़ा हेट होगा. I don't want my upcoming.
It's the wisdom toothpaste. I got a blister right here and I was so like fidgety that मैंने इसको burst कर दिया. Now I have bandaged it right here. It looks so funny. Or warehouse of mine where I have put all my stuff. It's just one room where I've just put everything for all my orders. Just in case you guys don't know, I own a clothing line of my own. So yeah, it's a very small business, but just in case you want to support local and a small business, you can check out my website. I sell mostly all my stuff on Instagram because बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो तुमने website में नहीं देखी होगी वो Instagram में चाहिए. Cutest packaging ever. I love these poly mailers. Here is some ASMR for you now. How old are you turning? Bolo? 23? Nobody will ever get to see your face because he has not removed his mask in 1 year. Trust me guys on this. Even his family has forgotten how he looks like. बोलो
जब भी तो ऐसे छट के फोटो लगाएगी ना
हाँ
तो मतलब 10 मिनट वीडियो को टैग कर दियो समझ रहे हो ना लोगों को पता लगना चाहिए तो ऑफर्स कहाँ पे हमारा काम चलता रहता है वीडियो बना ले तू और कुछ काम ना कर तू
here on the terrace we are working because the office is right here and I'm getting the lights fixed so जिसका birthday उसको पता है कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ. That's the weirdest part.
I can't see shit.
You can, it's a good lighting, trust me. You can say hi to everybody, Nidhar.
What's happening, guys? How are you?
Like Nidhar, Bumble. Then Nidhar answered like weird
Lot of questions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Golden only. Getting the lights down.
I don't
किसी को पेटीएम नहीं करना
ऐसे रखा हुआ कि पेंटिंग करना कौन लाएंगे?